Yeah, go ahead and call 911.
Okay.
Oh my God, don't do that.
All right, I got you. I'll call you back.
Don't do that. No, no, I don't want the cops out here. Please don't call the law. You can see Tyrant Hunter doing the First and Second Amendment audit.
Hey, how goes it?
What's up, man?
Just curious. What you doing?
Just doing a little recording.
Recording what now?
You right now?
What for?
Because I can.
All right.
And come out here for some more.
Are you with anybody? Are you with any group?
You see any group?
Huh?
Do you see any group?
No, I'm asking, are you here working for somebody?
I can't give you that information, man.
You say you can't give me that information?
I don't know you.
Yeah, I don't know you.
My
either.
dad told me not to talk to strangers. You're a stranger. Huh?
Hold on a second.
Y'all got something to hide out here?
Hey, you want to talk to Josh Smith?
I don't want to talk to nobody. Don't even want to talk to you.
Hey, Josh, can you hear this?
Yeah, hold on. Yeah, go ahead and call 911.
Okay.
Oh my God, don't do that.
All right, I got you. I'll call you back.
Don't do that. No, no, I don't want the cops out here. Please don't call the law. I might have warrants or something. I might have some warrants. I don't want the cops out here. Y'all got any cold drink in there? Need some water. Oh my God, he's calling the police, y'all. Oh no. Oh no. Y'all smash that like button for me. And hit that subscribe. Oh no, he's calling the popo. They want to be on camera too, I guess. Fixing to teach these people something about the Constitution. That's what I'm about to do. Y'all got something to hide out here? Huh? Y'all got something to hide? No? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They got something to hide, evidently. Evidently they got stuff to hide, y'all. What's up with that? Guess they all want to be on camera.
Sir?
Look at them. Act like they never seen a camera before. What's up?
You don't want to say hello? Okay.
What's up?
I know you don't have to. You're allowed to video. I'm just saying hello.
Hmm.
Do you need anything?
Nah, I'm good, man.
Okay.
I'm great.
Is there anything I can help you with? You want something to eat or drink?
No, I'm good, man. Appreciate it.
All right.
Well,
Just be careful with the shoulder of the road. Maybe throw your hazards on. I want you to get
yeah,
you're
yeah.
all good.
Right. You need to explain to your crew there that I got a right to be out here,
I understand you got a right to be here.
because I think they just called the police.
That's okay. They behind the fence we've got a lot of people's private stuffs, so they just wanted to protect to make sure you weren't inside with the private stuff or anything.
I'm not going on your property, man. I don't do that.
No. That's good. They didn't know. They just wanted to make sure that you that their private stuff.
Well, their private stuff
was
shouldn't be in plain view.
It's not in public view.
Right,
It's
that
not
would-
in plain view.
then
That's why
it-
it's behind to get inside the warehouse.
Then it's no problem, then, right?
No, absolutely
okay,
not.
so yeah,
Absolutely not.
their private stuff should be in private. If it is, that's great.
It is.
Just out here videoing, man. That's all I do.
Understood. Do you have anything else to video?
All
All we have is pretty green grass.
No, that's about it, man. All I do is come out to businesses.
I understand. We've had interactions with folks like you videotaping. It's cool. It is.
It's the First Amendment of the Constitution.
Oh, I get it.
I got my firearm, which is
I
Second
get it.
Amendment.
That's the Second Amendment,
Right.
and I don't mind you. I have mine too.
There you go.
But I'm not gonna. But I don't have it on me right now.
Yeah,
because
right,
I don't
right.
take you as a threat.
No,
So,
I'm not,
Understood.
man. I'm not out here to harm nobody. I got no ill will, no ill intent at all.
Yeah.
Thank you for being cordial. Your name?
I'm Joey.
Joey, your owner?
I'm a relative of the owner.
Right, I got you.
I'm one of the managers.
I got you, man. Like I said, I'm just out here videoing, just
Not a problem at all.
on the side of the road,
Yep. Not a problem.
trying to invoke my First Amendment to videotape.
And you got it. First Amendment, Second Amendment. You got them all.
There you go, baby.
You got the constitutional right to be out here.
I appreciate that.
So,
Now
yeah,
here
no
the
problem.
police
I
come.
just want you to be careful of the roadway.
I got you, man.
Yep. That's all. You're on public property.
Yeah, I know. They shouldn't. You know what I mean? Before they called the police.
That's okay. They were worried. They're all good. They're all good.
That's fine. Yeah, I mean that usually that's the reaction I get is really, it's most of the time it's bad.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And I get when somebody comes out and asks what's going on, but I'm not obligated to tell you.
They don't know. They're all good. See,
Right.
now he's gonna get in the road too. So.
Right. Well,
Let me talk to him.
yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, he should have pulled in. I don't know why they do that.
Just protect to make sure.
Right, I guess. They called the police on me. So he knows he should have informed his employees before they called the police on me. That's what they should have done. And he's probably telling them, oh, that's all they do is come out looking for reaction, which is not. But they end up giving us one anyway. You know? So I think everything's cool. He's a member of management. So he's all good.
Yeah, you too, bud. Yeah, they didn't know. They just protect
And that's
all
the
good, so.
that's the usual reaction, and I don't understand why. And another reason why I do this is to get people used to it, because these cameras every freaking where, dude.
Oh.
I love it when people come out and say, hey man, thank you. I've had about 5 people stop me today and said thank you for exercising your rights.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Give me a high five, a thumb, beat the horn going by, you know what I mean? So I love it, dude. I've been doing this for over 2 years.
Yep. So.
All right, my man. I appreciate you.
Hey, have a good one.
Thanks a lot.
Appreciate it. Thanks for maintaining my space.
There you go. Right.
You're all good.
All right, man. That's what it's all about right there, guys. You know, have a cordial conversation. They called the police. Management come up and said, hey, no, don't worry about it. He's good. He's good to record right where he's at. It looked like it was going to turn out real bad, and then it ends up turning out good, and that's what I like. I love it when it happens like that. Absolutely love it. So you guys make sure you hit that like button for me. Let everybody know you like my content. Let YouTube know you like my content.
Hey, Jeff.
Hey.
How are you today?
Good. Did you call me Jeff?
I did.
Huh.
Welcome to PHC.
I hear you. Yep. So you know, huh?
What you up to today?
I just doing a little recording. Hey, look at you.
Yeah.
You're awesome. So you watch?
No.
No?
No.
They just told you my name? Cop told you my name, huh?
Yeah, I know your name. Is there anything we can help you with or tell you about?
No, ma'am. Did he explain to you what I'm doing?
He who?
Well, I forgot his name. Anyway, he come out here and talk to me, a manager or one of them.
Yeah.
I go out and record to make sure everybody respects my right to do so. That's what I do. It's the First Amendment.
The First Amendment.
Right. I got my firearm, which is the Second Amendment.
Yeah.
Open carry, North Carolina, you know, is awesome about the open carry law.
Yeah.
And make sure that, you know, people understand that I got a right to do what I'm doing. You know, a lot of people don't understand that people, you know, free press, you know, that's what I go under. That's the First Amendment is a right to free press.
Right.
And you would be surprised at how many people try to violate, and law enforcement also. When they call, a lot of times they know me now, you know, because I've done it so much here. They come out and I've been arrested like 4 times for doing exactly what I'm doing right now.
Right.
And it's just pathetic that they take an oath to the Constitution, you know, government officials, and they don't honor their oath. I love it. I love coming out here and exercising my rights to do so, you know.
Well, we sure thank you for choosing our land today.
Right. And a lot of people don't understand. This is like free advertisement too. I put it on YouTube, and if people act like they got some sense and understand that I have rights, I'll put them on there, and people will like it. People will comment. You might even get some phone calls saying, "Hey, y'all done a great job,"
Well,
and you absolutely might get some business out of it.
Well, I mean, people are always nervous when someone's videotaping.
But understand that they videotape everywhere they go.
Oh yeah.
A lot of people don't understand that.
You're right about that.
And Google come by here and done the same thing I'm doing.
Yeah.
But they didn't stop and get out, you know, and you know.
They didn't need to. They captured.
Right. So you know, so nobody gets mad at them.
Right.
You know what I mean? But a private guy comes out and they think they're up to no good. You know, like they got some intent, which my intent is to be left alone.
Okay, well, let me get a photo with you. Let me get your cameras in here too.
Let me put the seat down.
All right, hang on.
I gotta do this though. I gotta get it.
Okay, that's
what
fine.
I do.
All right, got it.
There you go.
All right, have a good day.
There you go. Love it. I love it to death. All right. You don't work too hard today.
Try not to.
Thank you so much for the water.
You're welcome.
Her name's Katie. That was great. Great conversation. Awesome. All right, y'all know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for notifications. And always remember, keep those cameras rolling, baby.